Next, we are going to have a glimpse on inertia. Imagine, while you are traveling in a bus or in a car, when a sudden brake is applied, the upper part of your body leans in the forward direction. Similarly, when the vehicle suddenly is moving forward from rest, you lean backward. This is due to any body would like to continue to be in its state of rest or the state of motion. This is known as inertia. The inherent property of a body to resist any change in its state of rest or the state of uniform motion unless it is influenced upon by an external unbalanced force is known as inertia. Now let us do an activity. Take a glass tumbler and place a small cardboard on it as shown. Now keep a coin at the center of the cardboard. Then flick the cardboard quickly. What do you observe? The cardboard falls off the ground and the coin falls into the glass tumbler. In this activity, the inertia of the coin keeps it in the state of rest when the cardboard moves. Then, when the cardboard has moved, the coin falls into the tumbler due to gravity. This happens due to inertia of rest. Let us come to know about types of inertia. Inertia of rest. The resistance of a body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. Inertia of motion. The resistance of a body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. Inertia of direction. The resistance of a body to change its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. Let us understand inertia with few examples. An athlete runs some distance before jumping because this will help him jump longer and higher, which is because of inertia of motion. When you make a sharp turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways, which is because of inertia of direction. When you vigorously shake the branches of a tree, some of the leaves and fruits are detached and they fall down. And this is due to inertia of rest.